Mexicano, I'm working like a Mexicano. New persona, I'm moving on from Ferragamo. Get the llama, I party with the real Madonna. Beat the odds, do numbers, and remain humble.
Hey guys, so these are all the tools that we're gonna need to make the Gucci necklace. So first you're gonna need a good picture of the Gucci symbol, some paper, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, tweezer, some clamps, and the little back connecting piece for necklaces. I got this chain. I had some, I forgot what this is called, some coil wire or something like that left over in my house. I also got some rhinestones to decorate it, some little clear ones, and then I had this big package of like assorted colors, but I just separated them into the colors that I wanted to use. You're also gonna need a cardboard box, so I just took an empty cereal box, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this Martha Stewart stencil or the shrink film, but I think I'm gonna use a stencil and scissors. So first thing I'm gonna do is just trace out the Gucci symbol from my computer. So just take this paper, get a pen, and try to trace the symbol. I don't know if you can really see it but on camera, but I can see it in person. So I'm gonna do that and get back to you guys. So as you can see, I just traced the symbol from what is on my computer, and something that I forgot to mention is you're just gonna wanna size it to the size that you want the stencil to be. So now I'm just gonna go cut this out, and then I'm gonna cut out, make this into a stencil for my cardboard. So I'm gonna cut this out on paper, cut the same thing out on my cardboard, and then cut the same thing out on my stencil. Well, I just actually didn't need the paper. I took the stencil, traced it over my laptop. It doesn't look pretty, but when I cut it out, I'll make sure it's even. With the stencil that I did on the paper, I drew it on the cardboard, so I'm just gonna cut these both off, cut these both out. So I cut out my stencil, cut out my cardboard, and now I'm just gonna hot glue these on top of each other. Okay, so now that I hot glued them together, I took a needle and I poked a hole right here, and I poked a hole right here, and you can see that I put the clasp circle thing right here, and I'm gonna do the same on this side and then attach the chain on both ends. So with that, you just take the circle thing, take your tweezer, and then just like pull it apart so it opens and attach it here. And then I'm gonna take the chain on both ends, attach one coming here and attach one coming on this side. Okay, so as you can see right here, I attached a little clamp, I attached the chain on the right side, a clamp, and the chain on the left side. The left side chain is longer, and right here I'm gonna attach another little clamp, and then I'm gonna put the hook on to the clamp so that you're able to attach the necklace. Okay, so this is how the necklace looks. It's adjustable in the back, as you can see, hopefully you can see. And right now it's basically done. What I'm just gonna do is put hot glue and then just put different rhinestones around it to like bedazzle it. So the best way to wear this is with like a, not a turtleneck, a button down. And yeah, it's adjustable so you can make it tighter and stuff.
I said, baby, let's roll. Yeah. Baby, let's roll. Baby, let's go to a place no one knows. With your head not